The crisis of deep human suffering is in plain sight, and there's no time to waste. We have to act, and we have to act now.
Well, this morning, let's move on to coronavirus coverage. President-elect Joe Biden addressed the nation, unveiling his pandemic plan for when he takes office. Now, the president-elect laying out his vision to fight the virus, touching on issues on the minds of many of us. Lindsay Ward joins us live with what he's expecting to do. Lindsay, tell us about this.
David, good morning to you. This is a huge plan where we're talking about millions of dollars going to families who financially need assistance. But not only that, we're also talking about small businesses who have been struggling and really aren't sure how much longer they can survive during this pandemic. It was last evening when we learned from President-elect Joe Biden about his $1.9 trillion coronavirus economic relief plan, which is being referred to as his American Rescue Plan. It calls for an additional $1,400 in stimulus checks for Americans on top of the $600 that's already been approved, bringing that total to $2,000. Billions of dollars in the plan will also go towards stopping the spread of the virus and increasing vaccines and providing funding for those small businesses, as I mentioned. This plan, according to U.S. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi and Senate Democratic leader Chuck Schumer, believe is the right approach. They said Congress will get right to work on this package.
We will finish the job of getting a total of $2,000 in cash relief to people who need it the most. The $600 already appropriated is simply not enough. Next week, we'll take action to extend nationwide restrictions on evictions and foreclosures. And I'm asking Congress to do its part by funding rental assistance for 14 million hard-hit families and tenants.
Biden also released new information on how he and his administration plan to meet their goal of delivering 100 million shots in his first 100 days. Coming up in our next half hour, I'll tell you his plans on keeping schools open and safe for both students and educators. But of course, if you would like extensive details on this plan, we have them for you. You can head to our website, KDKA.com. Reporting live, I'm Lindsay Ward, KDKA News.